guys, welcome to Bonus Wheel Spaces Unofficial. If you like our videos, give us a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. In this video, let's talk about the shelter wheel bolts. A bonus forged grade 12.9 shelter wheel lock bolt kit includes 20-piece wheel bolts, 20-piece shells, a hex 19mm socket, 4-piece locking bolts, a lock key. The bonus shelter wheel bolt adopts a 2-piece design. Shell part uses high-strength aluminum alloy 7075T6, which has many excellent characteristics. The shells have two styles of high and short shells. The high shell is 55mm and the short shell is 38mm. There are 8 colors of the shell, which are red, gray, gold, black, purple, sky blue, deep blue, and silver. More color options. What is the difference between the bonus wheel bolts and others? Bonus wheel bolts are made by the forging process. The forging process is formed by continuously strong pressure extrusion, which brings excellent mechanical and physical properties to the bolt. The 12 petals shaped on the top are battened by a large tonnage machine at one time. Ordinary forging cannot form this pattern on the hard alloy steel SCM440, which form the reflect bonus super forging process. While the bonus shelter wheel bolts is your best choice. Safety is always the function and promise of all bonus designs. Beauty and safety are the most attractive feature of wheel bolts. Not only are there 8 colors, but there are also types to choose from, making the appearance of wheels not only more outstanding but also safe. Also, Bonus has professional design and manufacturing experience. Therefore, it has become the choice of many OEM brands and professionals. What's more attractive is that Bonus provides professional consulting service before pursuing. What is the benefit of installing the shelter wheel bolts? Installing shelter wheel bolts is not only the way of experienced professional but also the pursuit of beauty and the attitudes of loving life. While getting a better appearance, it can also ensure the driving safety of the vehicle. At the same time, the special slip and 4 lock wheel bolts are given to prevent the wheel from being stolen and improve safety. Why do both of the shells and the wheel bolts have the Bonus logo? Each shelter wheel bolt is engraved with B or Bonus, which means that these wheel bolts and shells are manufactured by Bonus factory. The quality is guaranteed, the interests of customers are protected, and Bonus assures the quality. Bonus believes that focus makes more professional, and professional can create more value for customers. Therefore, Bonus insists on producing the professional Bonus shelter wheel bolt to give customers more peace of mind and at the same time have confidence in the quality of Bonus products. Bonus has fully obtained more than 66 ISO International Standard SGS TUV test reports and achieved excellent results. We believe that only high standard quality measurement and authenticity reports can meet the most fundamental needs of customers for products. Let's see how to install the shelter wheel bolts. Remove the wheel bolt from your wheel. Install the wheel bolt first and then install the shell. Install the wheel bolt with a hex 17mm socket. Install a lock wheel bolt with the lock key. Use a torque wrench and set it to 140 Nm to tighten the wheel bolt in a star pattern. Install the shell by hand and prohibit the use of impulse driver. Use a torque wrench and set it to 5 mm to 10 mm to tighten the shells. If you want to get the bonus shelter wheel bolts, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day!